I hit this issue today, and here's the quick fix that solved it. Transferring your ESIM to a new device can seem daunting, but it is pretty straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Check device compatibility. Ensure that your new device supports ESIM technology. You can usually find this information in the device specifications or user manual. Step 2. Back up your current device. Before starting the transfer, back up your current device to avoid losing any important data. Use cloud services or local backups as per your preference. Step 3. Access the Rogers app. Download and open the Rogers app on your new device. Sign in with your Rogers account credentials to access your ESIM settings. Step 4. Initiate ESIM transfer. In the app, navigate to the Manage ESIM section and select the option to transfer your ESIM. Follow the prompts to generate a QR code for your new device. Step 5. Scan QR code. On your new device, go to the settings and select cellular or mobile data. Choose Add Cellular Plan and scan the QR code generated in a previous step. Confirm the activation. Be aware that sometimes the QR code might not scan properly if there is a screen protector on your camera. If that happens, try removing it and scanning again. Now you're all set. Enjoy your new device with your ESIM activated. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Rogers support for assistance.